The Sessions Court on Wednesday rejected actor Salman Khan's plea seeking an adjournment for 3 weeks in the 2002 alleged hit-and-run trial. Khan will now have to be present before the court on Friday when his statement will be recorded by Judge T.W. Deshpande under Section 313 of the CIPC. The accused will be given a chance to explain the circumstances and allegations against him and also answer questions on the evidence. Meanwhile, with the completion of the cross-examination of investigating officer Kishan Shingal, the prosecution declared it had closed its case in the 14-year-old case. Defense advocate Srikanth Shidda had sought the adjournment as the actor's presence was required in the criminal trial in Jodhpur. But Special Public Prosecutor Pradip Bharat opposed the plea. During Shingal's cross-examination on Wednesday, Shidda questioned him on the statement of deceased witness Ravindra Patil. The court also rejected Shidda's plea to re-examine the other investigating officer in the case, Rajendra Khanna.